The disadvantages of some jasmines on the market are that the aroma is not strong enough, and the taste of tea is not soft enough, which leads to the lack of taste and flavor of the drinks. However, our small leaf classmate Jasmine Maojian just perfectly presents the aroma and tea taste, so we started tea making and beverage operation. Add tea leaves in 75 degrees Celsius water to the measuring pot and stir evenly, then start brewing for 7 minutes. After brewing, filter out the tea leaves and add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. Add grapes to the cup and crush them, then add white jelly. Then add ice cubes and our protagonist Jasmine Maojian to the smoothie pot. The fineness and softness of this jasmine hair tip are very good, and the aroma is also very full. It is suitable for making all kinds of fruit tea, milk tea, and lemon tea series. It is a versatile model. Then add grape juice and syrup and stir evenly into the cup. If you want to know more about the latest raw material consultation in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoya students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.